Does your grandmother tell interesting
Does your grandmother tell you
stories?
interesting
Stories. Okay. See, does and tell will be the two changes. Okay. Okay. Everybody.
मैम जैसे
Okay.
टेल्स का हम टेल हो जाएगा ना
Yeah.
टेल्स
Here
का टेल
I've used tell. Can you see?
Does your grandmother
Okay. Next is Nikita sent beautiful
stories?
birthday cards to her friend. Okay. You can write the ninth one also because I will erase it first. Okay. Done. Okay.
Rita sends beautiful birthday cards to her friend.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The 11th one is Geeta sends beautiful birthday cards to her friend.
Does
Geeta
send
send
beautiful birthday cards to her friend
beautiful birthday cards
to her friends?
Yes. Now you speak.
to her friend. Okay. Then the question mark. Okay. Then the 12th one is these birds migrate to far off land in search of food. Do these
Do these
birds
birds
who
migrate
is
to
used
far?
because birds is plural. Do these
Yes,
birds
ma'am.
migrate? Do these birds migrate to far off lands? Far off lands in search of food.
Do the both.
See, I have also marked the changes could be done in the sentence.
Ma'am, what are the changes in 12th question?
Just a second. Yes.
What
Changes
is
in
it?
12.
Yes, ma'am.
See, only
Changes.
do. We will write only do. No changes in the verb.
Okay, ma'am.
Remember, whenever
Yes,
we
ma'am.
use do, there is no change in the verb. But
Yes,
when we
ma'am.
write
Yeah.
we will change them. Okay, done 12. I'm raising the. Can I raise 11 also, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is 13. Okay. 13th one is they feel active because of the cold climate of the country. They feel. Identify the subject is they and the word is feel. So what we will write? Do
Ma'am, do they feel active because of the cold climate of their country?
active. Do they feel
I'm sorry.
active because of the cold climate? Do they feel active because of the cold climate of their country? Okay. Then the question mark. The next one is 14. People waste much time in sending unnecessary mails. People. What will say? Do or does? Do or does? Daksh, do you want to give the answer, Daksh?
Much.
Unmute yourself, Daksh. Do you want to give the answer?
Does people?
Okay.
I think so. I know the answer.
Yeah,
I have a problem.
okay, Daksh, what is the problem?
I have a problem.
What?
मैम मैम मेरे को 9th और 10th का चाहिए
9th and 10th.
9th और
Okay.
10th का और 11th का छूट गया मैम
9th, 10th and
11th
okay. Daksh, in the 9th, Daksh, in 9th, you write do in the beginning. Okay, write do. Daksh, write the 9th first, beta.
yes ma'am
Do
Yes,
Second same. Delicious grapes grow in our garden. Question mark. Okay. Okay, Daksh.
yes, ma'am.
In the 10th, Daksh.
Yes, ma'am.
In 10th, write does. Okay.
What, ma'am?
Your grandmother.
Ma'am, your
Daksh.
grandmother.
Then write tell. Tell and remove s. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Does your grandmother tell, and then the rest of the part will be same interesting stories. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 11th one. In 11th
You
also,
always carry
in 11th also write does Geeta send. Okay. Does Geeta send? S-E-N-D. Remove the letter S. You will drop. That is, you will not write the letter S of sends. Okay. Does Geeta send? I am writing here. Does Geeta send? Can you see Daksh
Yes,
on the board? Okay. Does Geeta send? And then the remaining part of the sentence will be same. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Now we will move to the 14th one.
Yes, ma'am.
People waste much time in sending unnecessary emails. Two people. People is plural.
Yes, ma'am.
So do people
Do people
waste
waste much time in sending necessary emails?
much time in sending unnecessary emails? Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this we will write do in the beginning of the sentence, and then the remaining part of the sentence will be same. Okay. Then 15, last one. Daksh, have you written the 12th one also?
Ma'am,
No.
she, he, it comes. So, ma'am, what we have to write?
He, she, it. With the C. If we have I, we, you, they, or plural noun, we use what? Do. He, she,
Ma'am, does. Ma'am, he, she,
and singular noun, then we write does.
does. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now then now we are on the last one, 15. Okay.
Does she always
15th one is she always carries a red umbrella.
Ma'am, does she always
Always
carry
carry.
a red
Does she always carry a red umbrella? Okay, then the question mark. Okay, you all can check your answers from here. Does and carry is another change in the sentence.
Ma'am,
Okay?
does. Ma'am, carries. Ma'am, carry. I-E-S. Ma'am, पर सोचा मैम पाए लगा दिया.
Yes, I have also realized it.
Ma'am,
Everybody can check their answers now from here. Then all those who have done, they can turn to the next page on 100 and exercise number E. Exercise
Yes,
number
ma'am.
E.
Ma'am, what is 12th one?
What?
12th, Daksh, where were you? Okay, now Navya. Oh, Riddhi, don't speak in between. Let Daksh try. Let him try one. I want him to do along with me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, baby. Thank you. 12th. Yes, Daksh, come out. It is these birds migrate to far off lands in search of food. मैं वही बता रही हूँ आपको. Daksh 12th पे आओ. Hmm? Yes, Daksh.
These bird migrate too
No,
far off land in search of food.
no bete, Daksh, listen. These birds is plural. ये plural है. Okay? And check the verb. It is migrate. Without s है. Plural subject है. Verb में s नहीं है. So when the subject is plural, we do write what? See on the board. Daksh. If the subject is plural noun, then we use what?
Do.
Do. And because this verb is not carrying s, इसमें s नहीं है, so we will not add any changes in that also. We will not do any changes in the verb. So the only will be, we will write do in the beginning and the entire sentence will remain same. Now give the answer. Yes, Daksh. Try, Daksh.
One
Very
minute.
good. Yes. Yeah, Daksh, give. Do. Give the answer of 12, Daksh. Try.
Do these birds migrate too far off land in search of food?
Very good. Okay. It's the right answer. We have written do and no change in the verb. Okay. Okay. Now coming to the next exercise. Daksh, have you written the rest of the answers up till 15? 13, 14, 15. Have you done?
Oh, yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now let's move on to exercise number C. In this exercise, you will see that the verb is in past tense. Okay. Think about the rule. Rule when the verb is in past tense. What do we use to change that sentence?
Ma'am, did.
Did. And what is the another change? And see, in past tense, we use did and we also change what? What is also changed? Root form. That is left. If the verb is left, past tense में होगा तो उसको root form leave में change करेंगे? Yes or no? Root form, first form of verb. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
We will make these two changes when we are changing the sentence from affirmative to interrogative. Keep these 2 points in mind and then give the answer. We will begin with Daksh. She left a message for me. Yes, Daksh. Let's start with Daksh. Just a second. Let me write one question. She left, okay, a message for me. See, identify the word left. It is past tense. Okay. Come to the rule. Past tense did. So we will begin our sentence with did. Okay, did she? Another rule. Root, the verb of past tense will change into root verb. That is present tense. What is the present tense of left? Leave. So the sentence becomes did she leave a message for me? Question mark. These two changes will be in the sentence. Okay? Two changes, two rules. Okay? Okay, Daksh, have you got it now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask you the answers also. Okay? Navya, have you understood? Navya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am, I understand. Ma'am, ask to me, please.
Okay, yes, you can give the second one then, Navya. the girls sang the national anthem at the end.
Ma'am, we have to change them into now. It's a past tense now.
Yeah. You identify the word in the sentence. पहले word
Okay, ma'am.
पहचानो. Yeah.
Did the girls sang the national
And
sing
do
sing
change. Very good.
sing the
Did
national anthem at the end?
Very good. Did the girls sing the national anthem?
Ma'am, please don't mute me.
Okay, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anthem at the end. Okay, I have to move to because so that I can get the other one to translate. Did the girls sing the national anthem at the end? Got it now? Next is third one. The captain explained the plan clearly. The
May I get the
captain
third one?
explained the plan clearly.
Ma'am, may I
Yeah,
get?
yes.
Did the captain
Yes.
explain the plan clearly?
Very good. Did
Excuse me, ma'am.
the captain
Ma'am, you can tell me the answer of exercise number D of 14.
okay, I will give you. Did the captain explain? Did the captain explain the
Ma'am.
plan clearly?
Now उसमें explain था अपन मम्मी.
Explain the plan clearly. Okay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which one do you want to ask, Navya? 14th one.
Ma'am, of exercise number D, 14th and 15th.
In 14th, you will write do, and then the entire sentence will remain the same. And in 15, you will write does,
Does.
and carries will become carry. CARRY.
Carry. Thank you, ma'am.
Next is fourth one. The actor forgot some lines of the play.
Ma'am, I can give the
Yes, you can give. The
did
actor forgot.
did the actors forget some lines of the play?
Did the actor forget?
Ma'am, forget so
Not
much.
forgot.
Forget.
Yes,
Bring the
ma'am.
root verb. It becomes forget.
Forget.
Some lines. Some lines of the play. Some lines of the play. Two changes. Did and forget. Okay. Is it
Ma'am,
clear
in
to
fifth
everybody?
one. Ma'am, in
Yeah.
fifth one, he did the work in time. Ma'am, sir, did is also come. So, ma'am, we write
This is
Did
important.
he?
I will tell you. Did is past tense. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen. This did is the past tense of do. Okay. Don't get confused with did with this did. This did in the sentence is not this one. It is the past tense of do. See, I will give you the root forms. Do, does, and do did. Do, did, and does. So this did one is of do. So the main form that is the root verb of this did is do. Okay, we will use this one. So
Ma'am, I don't understand this.
Yes, ma'am. I also don't understand this.
and let me know. See, because it is a past tense, we will use do did. Okay, first did he?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, did it do?
did. Now
Ma'am,
next is
in
did.
the ma'am, I can say,
And you can say
It's
ma'am,
ma'am,
in
but
the
did ko?
in the sentence which has did, which is sentence with मैम जिस सेंटेंस में पहले से did होता है उसमें we can use do also.
No. Actually, you have learned the forms of learned the forms of verb. Play, played, played. 3 forms of verbs.
Yes, ma'am.
हमने पढ़ा है. Sing,
Yes, ma'am.
sang, sung. हमने पढ़ा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase it? Can I erase this part to show you?
Ma'am, I say
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer of fifth.
Just a second.
Yes,
Just a
ma'am.
second. Let me explain you first.
Yes, ma'am.
See, as we have already done, we know the three forms of verb like play, played, and
Play.
played. Okay.
Plays.
Present tense, past tense, past participle. Okay. Sing, sang, and sung. We have done this three
Sung.
forms of verb. We have made the
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
there
ma'am.
are three forms.
Yeah, yeah. Similarly, do, did,
Did, does.
and does. So this did is separately. This did which is given in the sentence is not that did which we are putting to change the sentence into interrogative. ये वो वाला did नहीं है. ये जो did है वो ये वाला did है past tense वाला जो हम कर रहे हैं. तो
Okay,
इस
ma'am.
did का जो root form है वो क्या है?
Do.
Do.
That is why we have used do over here. Can you see?
Ma'am, the answer is, did he do the work in time?
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, ma'am.
This
Ma'am,
did,
now we have answered.
now see, this did is for the interrogative question which we are using according to the rule. And this do is the root form of did. Got it? Did you
Yes,
all
ma'am.
get it now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Oh, very good.
Ma'am, this is a so confusing question.
It was not. Yeah, it was for you because you do not, as when we do not, it's not easy for us to remember all the three forms of verb. It was new for you, okay? For the
Yes,
beginners,
ma'am.
it is new. So if you know the concept, you can easily change the sentence as you gave the right answer. Okay?
Sentence.
So,
did
ma'am,
is
in these
come.
type of sentence, we can use do.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. In these are.
Yeah. First
Okay,
did
ma'am.
was of interrogative and
And-
do is the root form of did. That was the change
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
sentence. Okay.
Ma'am, now
Yes,
sixth
ma'am.
one.
Now next one is, this is the last one we will be doing because the time is over and we are already late. Okay,
And
last
now
one
the ma'am
is,
has joined.
she has joined. Okay, then
Yes,
we'll continue
ma'am.
in the next class. Okay, sorry for that. We'll continue in the next class. Okay, and
Bye,
you all have
ma'am.
to keep yourself. You have to complete your exercise by tomorrow, by the next class anyhow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, and
ma'am.
we will be also starting the revision in the next class.
Ma'am,
Of
because this is
noun.
our last chapter.
Yeah, we will, let me tell you one thing, we will be doing the revision and let me tell you, we will be doing of chapter number 5, 6, 7 and 8 in the next class. You have to prepare.
Ma'am, there is a ma'am E, F,
Chapter number 5,
G,
6,
H.
7 and 8. You have to complete this exercise chapters for the revision in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you and have a nice day.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a
Bye,
nice day,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Ma'am has
Good
leave.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
रिद्धि
Good afternoon.
रिद्धि आप मेरे को जीके की कॉपी वर्क दे सकते हो बाद में
पता है ना तो वही करेंगे.
बाद में
Good
समझ
afternoon,
आ गया
ma'am.
आपको
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, mute है.
देखो दादा को बोल दो वहीं पे ही घूम रहा है फिर बैठ रहा है मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता
Ma'am अभी mute है.
जाओ ना नाने
What? मम्मा इसका तो बना रहे हो
मैम
मम्मा सुनो मेरी हिंदी रिकवरी बुक का कॉपी कौन